Hello, children. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we will be doing chapter 4, Our Country. And the test skills are physical features, neighboring countries, courts, our heritage, states and unions, government at the center, state and locals, our constitution. And the first question is, India is the dash largest country in the world in terms of area. There are 4 options: A, B, C and D. A is third, B is second, C is sixth and D is seventh. And the correct option is D. And the correct option is D. India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. Now the second question. Number 2. Monument X is one of the 7th wonders of the world, situated in India, built with white marble. It has tombs surrounded by 4 minarets. It took almost 22 years to complete its construction. It is one of the finest examples of Mughal architects. And the options are: Monument X is A. Qutub Minar, B. Humayun's tomb, C. Taj Mahal and D. Charminar. And the correct option is C. Taj Mahal. Number 3. Which among the following Indian mountains prevent the cold winds blowing from the Central Asia from entering India? A. Aravalli Hills, B. Himalayas, C. Vindhyas, D. Rockies. And the correct option is B. Himalayas. Himalayas protect our country from the cold winds blowing from the Central Asia, and they also prevent the moisture-laden winds from southwest monsoon to move across to China. Number 4. Which of the following is a union territory? Jammu Kashmir, B. Chandigarh, C. Delhi, D. all of these. And the correct option is number D. all of these. Okay, so number D is the correct option. All of them are the union territories. Number 5. Which of the following goes against the Constitution of India? The picture A, B and C, and D is none of these. And the correct option is B. Option A shows children studying in school. Option B shows a child working as a labor, and option C shows women dancing in cultural event. Among these options, only working of child below 14 years age as a labor is against the Constitution of India. Number 6. The President of India is also the dash of the Indian Armed Forces, that is the Army, the Navy and the Air Force. And the options are A. Lieutenant, B. Colonel, C. Supreme Commander, D. Governor. And the correct option is C, Supreme Commander. Number 7. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? A, the right to freedom of religion. B, the right to constitutional remedies. C, cultural educational rights. D, right to abuse. And the correct option is D, right to abuse. Number 8. The early name of Myanmar was dash. A, Burma. B, Pataliputra. C, Chittagong. And D, Gorkhaland. And the correct answer is A, Burma. Which of the following is incorrect about Qutub Minar? Which of the following is incorrect about Qutub Minar? A, it is a minaret. B, Qutbuddin Aiberg laid its foundation. C, it was built in the memory of Empress Noor Jahan. D, it is situated in Delhi. And the correct option is C. Qutub Minar was not built in the memory of Empress Noor Jahan. It was built as a victory tower. Chota Nagpur Plateau in India has a lot of dash and dash ore reserves. A, iron and copper. B, calcium and magnesium. C, zinc, copper. D, limestone, calcium. And the correct option is A. The correct option is A. It is copper and iron. Plateaus mostly have huge mineral deposits. The Chota Nagpur Plateau in India has a lot of copper, iron ore, bauxite and mica. Number 11. Study the given relationship and select the correct option to fill in the blank. Taj Mahal, Shah Jahan. Sanchi Stupa, dash. A, Gautam Buddha. B, Chhatrapati Shivaji. C, Ashoka. D, Akbar. And the correct option is C. Sanchi Stupa is one of the famous monuments of India located in Madhya Pradesh. It has 4 gateways called Toranas that have carvings of the Buddha in different stages of his life and his teachings. Number 12. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? A, plains are formed when the rivers deposit their silt and soil on the banks. B, sandstorms are very common in desert areas. C, the Deccan Plateau covers only 4 states of southern part of India. D, mountains like Himalayas provide perennial water to the rivers. And the correct option is C. That is, the Deccan Plateau covers only 4 states of the southern part of India. Number 13. The Constitution of India came into effect on A, 15th August 1947, B. 26th January 1950, C. 15th January 1947, D. 26th August 1950. And the correct option is B. It's 26th January 1950. Number 14. Pakistan is divided into three broad physical areas: the Northern Highlands, the Hindu River Plains, the plateau of the Balochistan. The Indus Plain is drained by the 5 major tributaries of river Indus. Which of the following is not one of them? A. Jhelum, B. Beas, C. Chenab, D. None of these. And the correct option is D. None of these. The major 5 tributaries of Indus River are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Beas. 15. Match the columns and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. Column 1A, Telangana. Number 1 in column 2 is second highest peak in India. Jaisalmer, Uttarakhand, Valley of Flowers, Deccan Plateau, and D is Nanda Devi and sand dunes. And the correct option is A. That is, A is Telangana is Deccan Plateau, B Jaisalmer sand dunes, C Valley of Flowers is Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi, second highest peak in India. Number 16. The President of India is elected by the elected members of A. Lok Sabha, B. Rajya Sabha, C. Legislative Assembly, D. All. And the correct answer is D. All of these. Number 17. Who among the following are appointed by the President of India? A. Prime Minister, B. Governor, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Both A and B. And the correct option is D. Both A and C. Number 18. There are dash high courts and dash supreme courts in India. A. 25-21, B. 25-1, C. 121, D. 125. And the correct option is B. 25-21. There are 25 high courts and 1 supreme court. Number 19. Select the incorrect statement about union territories. A. Union territories do not have capitals. B. Ladakh is one of the newly formed union territories. C. Union territories are ruled directly by the central government. D. B and C. And the correct option is A. Union territories do have capitals. Number 20. Select the correct match. State and capital. A. Nagaland and Gangtok. B. Manipur and Imphal. C. Goa and Port Blair. D. Madhya Pradesh and Raipur. And the correct option is B. Manipur and Imphal. Nagaland is Kohima, Manipur is Imphal, Goa is Panaji, and Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Number 21. Refer to the given table. Country and capital. W. Thimphu. X. Dhaka. Y. Naypyidaw. Z. Kathmandu. And the correct options are, identify the countries and select the correct statement regarding them. Pokhara and B. Ratangarh are two important cities of W. B. The children of Indian Emperor Ashok, Mahendra and Sanghamitra spread the teachings of Buddhism in Y. The deltic region of X is constituted by three rivers, Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna. D. The birthplace of Guru Nanak is in Z. And the correct option is C. And C is the correct option, children. Number 22. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies X, Y and Z. Neighboring countries of India, Buddhism is practiced here. Gorkhas are the original inhabitants of this country. X, Y, Z. A, that is the XYZ column. A is Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan. B is Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan. C is Bhutan, Pakistan, Myanmar. D is China, Pakistan and Afghanistan. And the correct option is B. Nepal X is the neighboring country of India where Buddhism is practiced and the Gorkhas are the original inhabitants. Bhutan Y is the neighboring country of A where Buddhism is practiced but Gorkha are the original inhabitants of this place. Pakistan Z is the neighboring country of India where neither Buddhism is practiced nor Gorkhas live. Question number 23. Which of the following cannot be found in the given word grid? Let us see the options. Longest river of Nepal. B. Plateau of Balochistan is located in this country. C. Capital city of this country is Dhaka and official language of this country is Bangla. D. Gautam Buddha was born in this city of Nepal? And the correct option is C. That is, the capital of this country is Dhaka and the official language of this country is Bangla. It's question number 24. Read the given statement and select the option that correctly identifies them as true and false ones. 1. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. 2. The value and protect the heritage and culture of our country is our fundamental duty. 3. Citizens of India are not allowed to settle in southern and western part of India without permission. Preamble is a short introduction to the institution of India. And the correct option is C. Number 1 is true, number 2 is true, number 3 is false, number 4 is true. Question number 25. Refer to the given flowchart and select the option that correctly identifies P, Q, R and S. It is a material heritage of our country. Yes. It has painting narrated Jataka tales. Yes. P. No. It is a form of architecture. Yes. Q. Comes down. It is no. It is a form of artifact. Yes. R. No. S. Option A. Ellora Caves, Red Fort, Shalimar Bagh, Rajasthani painting. B. Sun Temple, Shivanagari Fort, Nishat Bagh, Pahari painting. Meenakshi Temple, Gwalior Fort, Sanchi Stupa, sculptures, Ajanta Caves, Taj Mahal, terracotta figures and coins. And the correct answer is D. It is Ajanta Caves, Taj Mahal, terracotta figures and coins. Thank you, children. We have come to an end of the chapter 4. Thank you so much. Take care. Be good. Bye.